Hello everyone. This will be my first tutorial. Please send feedback in the comments about your thoughts on my tutorial. Let's begin. So what is a function? A function is similar to define from Python. If you are new to programming, think of it like this. You're storing your code in a box, which doesn't run the code, but runs when you tell it to. So if we do function, parentheses, colon, and a name, we will do example as the name, and we write as an example, print hello world. If we run the script, nothing will happen. That's because we stored the code inside the function, but we didn't run it yet. So, how can we run it, you ask? It's very simple. There are two ways. The first way is to add _ready after the function. It runs the script when the script starts. But we don't want that if we want to make it run in somewhere specific. So what do? It's simple. We create another function but with the _ready, and we add the function we want to run inside this function with adding the function's name with parenthesis. And look at that. It works. Oh, and by the way, if you're very new to coding, parentheses is very important. It tells the code to run. Without it, it's useless code. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and like. See you in the next video.